How to fix playback error on Twitter app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how can you fix playback error on Twitter app. In order to fix the playback error on Twitter app, you could try these steps. First thing first, you could always check your internet connections. Sometimes poor connectivity or lack of internet can cause this sort of issue. Exit out of this page and then go ahead and open up your settings. Check whether you're connected to an internet or not. If not, you just go ahead and enable it, or you could also check your router or restart your router at the same time. Now apart from it, you could also try updating your application, as sometimes due to outdated version it can cause such issues. So go to the Play Store and on the search box you want to type in Twitter. When you type in Twitter, check whether the app needs to be updated or not. If the application is completely up to date and if you're still having issue, then you could try clearing your app's cache. So for that, you want to go ahead and long press the Twitter application and then go to this I button. Then what next you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache now. If you go ahead and tap on clear cache, it's gonna show you this sort of pop-up where you could go ahead and delete, where you'll be permanently deleting your files and folders or datas. So if you're sure about it, only then go with this, and or else you could just leave it as it is. After you're done with this procedure as well, you could also completely close the application. That means you could, so for that you could go ahead and reinstall the application, and you could also restart your device at the same time. This should be able to fix the issue. And if that's not working out as well, you could also try a different device or maybe use a different browser, and that should be able to fix the issue all at once. So this is the way you could go ahead and fix playback error on Twitter app. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.